Hi, my name is Tony Freeman. I'm a fire captain with Humboldt Bay Fire, and I'm here to talk to you about smoke detectors. Smoke detectors are vital for our community to keep them safe prior to a fire occurring. According to FEMA, the U.S. Fire Administration, 38% of fires have fire deaths result in malfunctioning or not working smoke detectors. And Humboldt Bay Fire is here to try to spread the message that all of our residents should have working smoke detectors. The question that we usually get is, well, where should I have smoke detectors? How many should I have? Where should they go? Smoke detectors should be in every bedroom where you sleep. And that way, when you go to sleep, they say that your nose doesn't work anymore. So when a fire happens, you're able to, the smoke detector will alert, wake you up, and get you out of the home prior to the event being big. And so it gives you a chance to escape. Where you don't want fire detectors would be in your kitchen. As we all know, when I grew up, I knew when my mom was cooking because I would hear the smoke detector go off. What we find a lot of the times is when that happens, people tend to take them down, they don't put them back up, and they're in an area maybe that you wouldn't want them. So put them in your living spaces, put them in a common hallway, and that's where we like to have them. How often should you replace them, and how do you change the batteries? The smoke detector that I'm holding is a 10-year battery, and so it does not require you to be able to change that battery out. But what you should do is test it once a month to make sure that it's working. If it is not working, take it down and replace it. If you live in an apartment and have a landlord, this is their responsibility. Let your landlord know, and a new smoke detector should be delivered to you. If you have an older style, that smoke detector will have a lid that opens up with a 9-volt battery. Again, you should test that. You would take that battery out and put a new battery in. Recommendation is that when the time changes and we have to switch our clocks, which is twice a year, that's a good time to replace that battery. Humboldt Bay Fire has sponsored with American Red Cross to have a program where we are the ability to give you a smoke detector and go through the process of the American Red Cross sheet to be able to make sure that we're doing things the right way and be able to provide you, keeping you safe. Where this form comes in is that you get a smoke detector, we fill out the form. What's nice about this form is that it talks about how many we're putting up, how many people live in your place. It gives statistics to nationally. The fire service is better preparing our communities, not just Humboldt Bay Fire, but at a national level to try to keep everyone safe. So this form does that. What this form also does, it gives us an opportunity to draw you out an escape plan. So you can see it's a big blank page. We look at your house, we draw you your floor plan, and we talk to you about having 2 ways out of your home. The last thing that it does is that you get a home safety checklist that we will go over, and this checklist goes through cooking safety, goes through smoking safety, goes through children playing with matches, home fire escape plans, electrical safety, fireplace safety, and of course back to the smoke alarm itself and what should you do if yours was not working. Thank you very much. I hope you have a great day.